So this is a video my wife has agreed to be in the background, to have her voice, but she doesn't wish to be on film at this stage. So Cam, do you have anything to say? Would you like to say hello to YouTube?
No, I'm just feeding the kids.
Did you have a nice day?
Not with the in the kitchen. I went home.
The smoke alarm. Yeah, today the smoke alarm went off. Cam burnt the toast. So okay. So
You put the settings wrong.
I left the setting wrong on the toast. But I'd got the toast out earlier. I cancelled it early, but I left the wrong setting for Cam.
You never cancelled it. I cancelled
No,
it.
I cancelled my one when I did mine. But I left yours with the wrong setting. So it all incinerated. And the whole room smoked. Sorry. At least I'm being straightforward about it. Next time I'll make sure to put the right setting. So can we get a recycle bin?
Oh, find one.
Speak up!
I can't find one.
So we don't have to go out of the house every time.
You just need something that's easy, just like pick you up and
Just a
put it
cheap
in.
thing. Like a
Like,
plastic
pick it up,
box.
like, and just like put it in.
Not one of those, the ones we got already, not another one of the same
you
one.
want something cheap.
Just something light. You just lift up. But the thing is, if we get another one of those ones that we've already got and just don't put a liner in, just put stuff in there.
But then they're not gonna hold bottles that much. It's gonna fill quick with bottles in.
You want something bigger than that?
Yeah, but you gotta understand there's one paper and cardboard and there's one recycling.
Yeah. But the size of the one I've got in my house is, yours is still bigger than that. Yours is the 60 litres, mine is 50 litres.
What are you gonna be using for the paper and cardboard then?
Oh, it can't go in together, can it? Oh my God, so we need two. So we need one like mine then, don't we?
That's too small for the bottles.
What, even with two sides together?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll keep looking then. Yeah. So it was nice speaking to my grandma, wasn't it?
Oh, I'm just turning it off.
Why? Why?
You're talking about shit stuff.
No, it's not. It's relevant.
No, it's not relevant talking about bins.
That's why I'm moving on to something better. I'm saying with my grandma, can we talk about that? It's a good thing to talk about. So basically, in my family, they all keep saying, oh, they all look like you, they all look like you, they all look like you, like me. Which is nice for me, but it's not very nice. Well, it's not really fully nice for me. It's nice in the moment for me, but then on reflection, it'd be nice if they sort of, what's the word? What would be the right word to use?
To be a bit nice for me.
A bit nice for Cam to sort of recognise that sense of affection and warmth. Thing is, my grandma is a warm person, but as I said already, she's always been different with me than with my sister. So she treats men and boys differently than she treats women. So maybe she's probably not aware of that, but she is different. She tends to more like, every man and boy is like, and like every man is like a boy to her. Even a man is like a boy. Everyone's a boy. Our sons, everyone's a boy. Like, she believes, like, she always thinks men like can't do everything. Oh, I must get them a tea. I must make them this and da da da. And she's the one that does it for the men and boys. And then women are like competition, because women may also then go and do that. You know? There's always been a bit of competition between her. There's always been competition between.
Sexist thing to do.
There's always been competition between our grandma and our mum. Says, I may cut it this way. My mum's like, well, I do it this way. And my grandma's like, well, I don't. I'll only eat kosher chicken. And my mum's like, kosher chicken isn't any better. It's just got loads of salt on it. Yeah.
That doesn't happen in my family.
No, your family's more.
No, that's a bit like surprising thing to hear. That I never experienced that in my family. We always be in
You're lucky.
When it comes to good women. Protection towards the female.
Yeah.
It's always been like telling the boys off that protect your sisters at all times.
Yeah.
You know, be protective if they go into trouble or face any troubles in life.
Yeah.
Be there. And that's why we have that festival. It's called where you tie the thread on the arm. It means that you're agreeing to protect your sister at all times.
That bangle is part. That Sikh bangle.
It's a thread.
Oh, the thread as well.
Thread.
Do they both? Do the men in your family wear the thread as well as the bangle?
No. The bangle is as a Sikhism symbol. There's nothing to do with that.
And what's the thread?
The thread is to protect your sister at all times.
But is it also a Sikh thing? The thread? No. So where does the idea come from? The thread.
India.
It's an Indian idea. With the thread is something men wear.
Yeah.
Symbolically to which means that protect your sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not. I mean, it's lovely. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, when you have Mother's Day, Father's Day, you also have a Sister's Day in that culture.
Sister's Day as well, yeah. Yeah. So we'll leave it there. Cam, you want to say an outro? Thank you for watching Insight to Alchemy. Would you consider being on the next video?
Oh, really?
Even just speaking? Don't want to speak in the next video?
No.
But it is nice what you said. Everyone needs to comment and say that Cam should be on the next video. Because Cam is very beautiful woman. And I would like her in one of my videos. So her beauty may rub off on me. That's what my uncle said about his wife. My grandma's brother, at their, I think it was his 80th birthday or their wedding anniversary, he was like, Reni, you're so beautiful, and I think after all these years being married to you, your beauty is starting to rub off on me. Like this little old 80-year-old saying it, just priceless. Brilliant. She was like, well, she is, because he's passed away, but she's, I think, 20 years, no, like 18 years younger than him. Is that right? Correct me if I'm wrong, CL. If you leave a comment and let me know, or WhatsApp me if I'm wrong. We'll leave it there. But everyone make sure to leave comments saying that my wife should be in the next video. Isn't that right? Sorry. Okay. Bye for now. I will be soon with a meditation video. We could do also a meditation video of us together, maybe? Maybe?
What? Just delete it, please.